Commission Trooper. Art Flair's Commission Trooper. Commission Trooper software, case study and training. Proven software and video training that will help any newbie to generate high-quality traffic and sales. Backed by 100% real results and a perfect fit for you. Generate easy commissions online by generating high-quality targeted traffic. I'm sure that you've tested a million different traffic sources by now. I did too. The ugly truth is that converting cold traffic into sales is not easy. That's why you have to work smarter, not harder. Luckily, my good buddies Art, Ram, and Pallab are sharing all of their traffic secrets with their new software. If you want to discover all of the underground hacks and tricks they use to generate laser-targeted traffic on demand on autopilot, you're in the right place. Act fast. For a few hours you can snatch Commission Trooper with a big discount, so make sure to get your copy ASAP. Traffic software. New cloud app reassembles existing videos and turns them into free traffic magnets in 3 minutes. Videos rank easily and fast. Videos bring in passive traffic. Video traffic is free and super targeted. You can send unlimited traffic to any offer. Buy your traffic directly to your affiliate link. This works in any niche and not just IMMO. Commission Trooper upgrade offers. Autos. Upgrade 1. Advanced version. Commission Trooper Advance will take you to the next level. You can do multiple video editing and create unlimited traffic magnets. Trooper Advance at a glance. Unlimited video editing. Work on multiple niches at once. Unlimited traffic magnets creation. Upgrade 2. Done for you. 100% done for you pack to get you started in next 05 min. This includes our tested and proven work. DFY Evergreen Affiliate Campaigns. DFY Automated Campaigns. DFY CPA Campaigns. DFY Social Media Promos. DFY Email Campaigns. DFY Engagement Posts. DFY Squeeze Pages. DFY Stock Music. DFY Images. Upgrade 3. Reseller Pack. Sell Commission Trooper and 07 high converting funnels as your own product and keep 100% profits for yourself. Make up to $498 per sale. Resellers license to Commission Trooper. Resellers license to 5 additional funnels. All promo material. Upgrade 4. 45 plus WSOTD products. Get your hands on every single product Team Black Belt released since 2015 that got a Warrior Plus DOTD award or the JZU POTD award. This includes multiple traffic formulas, sales-making strategies and even software. Upgrade 5. 6-fig training. Want to become a super affiliate? Leverage these traffic and product training to build yourself a 6-fig business this year. It includes Instagram traffic module, Google AdWords module, product creation module. Upgrade 6. 03 traffic softwares. Snatch 3 additional traffic software for the price of 1. Rapid lead magnets. Keyword research ninja. Twitter marketing bot. Commission Trooper. Art Flair's Commission Trooper.